Hello, I am going to show you a really quick demo today on how to get subtitles from Avid into Resolve now that DaVinci Resolve 15 has subtitle support. It's very easy. If I jump into this Avid project here, open up my effects window on this subcap effect, click Export Caption Data, and I am going to call that TX2 and save it into here. Now, there's tons of different applications for converting your subtitle files. I am going to use this website, which I will link to in the comments. If I go in and choose to open a file, it will let me select an external file, pop that open, and check my frame rate, and then load subtitle. So that's going to have my subtitle file all in here. I could actually edit it in here if I wanted to, but that's not what I'm showing off today. So then we would just go and choose to save or download, and I'm going to export it as an SRT file, which is what Resolve supports currently. I'm sure in the future they will have more and more subtitle support, so you will not need to do any kind of conversions. But for now, at least, it is a requirement, so I can then choose Save and Download. And then I can drag it straight into Resolve and actually cut it in exactly where I would like it to be. And then we've got my subtitles all in place as you would expect. And then I can open up my subtitles track and extend that down. I can go in and edit these. I can also change the track style and even choose to have a different style for individual subtitles. So that's all there is to it. I've got all my subtitles ready to go in Resolve without any manual copy and paste. And as always, this is brought to you by craftkit.tech. So if you need any Blackmagic stuff or general post-production equipment and services, give them a yell. Cheers.